I mixed cornstarch with condensed milk and was amazed by the result. Start by adding 2 cups of condensed milk to this bowl. I've prepared a bowl with 3 cups of cornstarch, and I'll add it gradually. You can mix as you go after each addition. You'll be amazed by how this recipe turns out. The first time I made it, it was a hit at home. It's sure to become a tradition in your house too. The preparation method is super easy as well. If you have any doubts, just follow along with me. All you need to do is add and mix in sequence. After mixing well with a spatula, I'll add 200 grams of butter. I'll mix it with my hands. It's much easier this way. I'm so glad you're enjoying our recipes. Once everything is mixed well, the dough will have this color and texture. It's already coming together nicely. These 3 magical ingredients combine to create an incredible texture. Crunchy on the outside and soft on the inside. The dough will look like this, so I can now move on to the next step of the recipe. I'll make some cuts into strips just like this. I bet you're finding this preparation process super easy to follow. Now I'll keep cutting in this direction. This step helps me shape the dough later. It'll look like this. Now you just need to separate the pieces and shape them into balls. If you follow along carefully and do the same, it'll turn out perfectly, just like mine. Now I'll repeat the process until I've shaped all the portions. Once all the pieces are shaped, I'll transfer them to this tray. Can you believe that with just 3 ingredients, you can make cookies as good as those from a bakery? Try it now, taste it, and then tell me. Isn't it the best dessert you've ever had? I'll use this fork to press down on each piece. This will give them that classic cookie shape. If you love desserts that are quick and easy to make, this recipe is perfect for you. Once you've tried it at home, let me know what you think. I'm sure everyone in your house will love it. After shaping all the pieces, bake them in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Once the time is up, they're ready. Look how beautiful they look, and I'm certain the taste is amazing too. Now that you've learned how to make a delicious afternoon snack, surprise your family by preparing this recipe. It's the perfect way to bring everyone together.